Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your EA account with your YouTube account. So, first thing first, you need to log in into your YouTube account. Then you will find your YouTube logo channel here or your YouTube account image. So you just select it. Then you go down, you select settings. After that, as you can see on the left side of my screen, there is connected apps. You click on it and then you will find electronics, art and connect. You just press connect and then log in to your EA account. But in some cases, like this YouTube account, when we go to the settings, we will not find connected apps. Instead, we will find related application. You just select it and then you will find associate with your electronics art or your EA account and you just press the associate button and then continue with the same steps and you just log in into your EA account. After that, your YouTube account will be connected to your EA account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.